In this sentence, we have written he is in time. In the second sentence, we have written he is on time. Friends, these words are same. Here also these words are same. And these words are also same. Only there is the difference between these words. As it is used before the noun, and we know these are prepositions. So the question is that this sentence is correct or this one is correct. My dear friends, today on this podcast we are going to discuss about this thing only. Friends, thank you very much for clicking ABC Learning English Solution. Now we are going to discuss about this problem. Actually, my dear friends, this sentence number 1, it is a correct sentence. And number 2, my dear friends, this is also a correct sentence. That means there is no such mistake. But my dear friends, there is the difference in meaning. Actually, we have used different preposition. That's why there are the difference in meaning of these two sentences. First of all, this one, he is in time, early enough. Early enough. Friends, try to understand the difference in meaning. And on time, it means at exactly the right time. My dear friends, try to understand the difference between these two group of words. Actually, my dear friends, I'm just gonna give you one example. Suppose any kind of activities, we decided earlier that we all will meet at 5 p.m. Some of the person reached dot 5 p.m. It's actually on time. And some of the persons reached at 4:45 p.m. That means before the selected time, it's called in time. So my dear friends, I'm just gonna give you one example. Let's look at this example. So first of all, in this sentence, he is in time, it means he reached the place before the selected time or before the fixed time. And this person, he reached exactly at the right time, exactly at the pre-decided time. I'm just gonna give you another example. Friends, the train will depart at 4:30 p.m. We just came to know the time of the train from the timetable. It is written in the timetable. The departing time of the train is 4:30. I reached the station. Exactly at 4:30. That means on time. It means exactly 4:30 I reached at the station. Again, he reached the station in time. That means before 4:30. Before 4:30, this person has reached the station. Both these sentences are having different meaning, and my dear friends, I have discussed this thing here. My dear friends, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, I'd like to request you to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.